The development process has proven to be exceptionally challenging, as the team grappled with financial constraints and even contemplated abandoning the project. This scenario underscores the typical hurdles faced by startup founders. The creators bring a strong history of success with previous products, such as skins and clothing, which bolsters their credibility for this new venture. They place a significant emphasis on crafting unique, high-quality offerings that truly stand out from the competition. The team aspires to redesign the smartwatch, ensuring it is both functional for fitness enthusiasts and stylish for social gatherings, thereby addressing prevalent criticisms of current smartwatch designs. Their goal is to attract a wider audience. Many companies depend on generic products that often lack quality and innovation, which inhibits their competitive edge. Consequently, the market becomes saturated with mediocre offerings. Investors frequently encourage businesses to focus on short-term profits rather than long-term product development. This pressure ultimately stifles the potential for revolutionary innovations, perpetuating a cycle of mediocrity. Securing design patents presents a complex challenge in an already saturated market, making it increasingly difficult for newcomers to introduce distinctive products. Therefore, innovation in design becomes vital for standing out. The prototyping phase for smartwatches is intricate, often taking up to 6 months to finalize. This substantial timeline can dissuade companies from exploring new designs and often leads to rejections from agencies. Many smartwatches available in India do not incorporate essential health sensors, such as the SpO2 sensor, resulting in a gap between quality and affordability. This discrepancy raises significant concerns regarding the accuracy and reliability of these devices. The choice to prioritize quality over cost in sensor technology is vital, as a smartwatch can serve as a crucial tool for health management. Compromising on these features could jeopardize users' well-being. Selecting the right processor and sensors was imperative for the team, reflecting their dedication to health features such as heart rate and oxygen monitoring. They recognized that compromising on these elements was simply not an option. During development, they faced challenges in optimizing tracking and software design, resulting in unanticipated delays. They acknowledged the necessity of extending the timeline to ensure thorough product readiness before the launch. The potential decision to delay the project's launch signifies a strong commitment to delivering a high-quality product. The team concluded that releasing a mediocre offering would be detrimental to their long-term strategy. The unboxing experience is highlighted as the speaker illustrates the watch's packaging and presentation, underscoring the critical role first impressions play in product marketing. The speaker expresses enthusiasm about the diverse color options available for the watch, which include silver, dark gray, and golden. Such choices promote personal customization and individual style. The speaker details the smartwatch's unique features, emphasizing its design and the use of quality materials like stainless steel and liquid silicone. These elements contribute to the watch's modern and durable appearance. The watch incorporates a robust processor, ensuring smooth performance, effective health tracking, and the capacity for future feature expansions. These factors are crucial for maintaining high tracking accuracy and interface responsiveness. Health tracking capabilities encompass precise heart rate and stress monitoring, essential for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. This functionality rivals that of premium health devices. The smartwatch also boasts Bluetooth calling features and customizable watch faces, enhancing its functionality and personalization options. This versatility makes it an ideal gadget for everyday use.